BIDU Shari. Good morning, Monday, May 13th, 2024. Let's talk about China. FXI, surprisingly very strong. Stronger than many individual stocks that I follow in the Chinese market. I would not want to be long here. If anything, I would say if you have some, look to trim into 28 and 29, okay, even 30. That was a steal to buy below 21, right? You had your chance to do it, but what a run! What a run! As hot as FXI is, there are bargains out there. I like BIDU, right? I talk about BIDU compared to the FXI chart. Yeah, BIDU look a lot more attractive. I have been selling puts down here, 105, 102, 104, 101. I don't mind buying 100 share down here at all, or even more. So that's why I think I sold at least 2 put spread the past couple of weeks down here. Especially after it break out. Before it broke out here, I was doing 196 for a couple of days here, for that 1 week when it break into this range. Sure, did I wish I buy it in the 94, 95 range? Yeah, but I did. I do the put spread game. But BIDU look like it's gonna be strong today in 110. If you have it, trim order is in at 115. Yeah, see, it's in that area of resistance. Okay, the last time it wick up into 114, 115, reverse. So is there room to run from 110? Yeah, but with the 200 daily average coming down, 115. Okay, if you want to be greedy. I mean, if you don't want to be too greedy, do it. 114. But anything from 114 to 115 should be some kind of trim order there. BABA, nice consolidation. Yeah, it basically break out, check back into the what was resistance, now support. So I think buy the dip is here. Okay, there was time where buy the dip was here into the 72 range, right? For a long time, for many months, we were doing. For those that follow my trade, I did the put spread 72 and below many times. Often it's more like 70, 66 kind of thing, and then there was an easy trim decision, anything near 78, right? But then we have this move, okay? And in many ways, it didn't really close the gap because the gap kind of, when you have this kind of action here, it's always kind of confusing, right? Because you have the kind of like gap up and then gap way below. So you have like this 2 gap right here. Regardless, you can say that it kind of filled the gap somewhat because anyone that held on to BABA all through this and get caught into this downdraft, well, guess what? 6 months of relief. Okay, they had to wait 6 months or 5+ months to get out where they wish they did. So you have those remorse holder. So until that is absorbed, okay. But I think buying the dip, it could go sideways for a while. BABA can do the dance around 79 to 80 for a while. And to me, if you want to buy, gap fill. That's where I would sell a put spread, okay? If you want to be safe, 75, 72. To me, that's the new range for BABA put spread. Instead of like 70 or 71 or 72, 75. Then you have this zone, the support, and the gap fill, and the 50, okay? So yeah, that's my call right there. The most attractive play for now for BABA is do a 75, 72 put spread. Or if you want to own it outright, sell naked 75 or a naked 73. Okay, it's then you have everything above the protection. MLCO. I'm gonna stay greedy here. It was tempting. Trust me, it was tempting Thursday and Friday to trim, but I'm glad I stepped into. I was buying. Okay, for those that follow me, okay, I buy in this 7 range. Okay, and then boy, was it annoying to see it down here, but I bought. I stepped in and bought, not at the low 6-1, but in the mid 6, and I held on. Okay, so where would be the first trim? Up there, 858, 925. That's my 2 order right there. So wherever the 200 is coming down, I will readjust it. It was last week. It was 865. Okay, today I will, by the end of today, I probably will move it up into 858. Well, move it down to 858, just so that in case of like any kind of fast week into the 200 daily moving average, I am out a little bit. Hey, it'd be a shame to not take a $2 gain on the share that I bought in the mid 6 here, right? It'd be a shame. That's a lot of gain, percentage wise. 40% gain, 35% gain in a month. Yeah, I take it. Last of the Chinese stock, I like this one. I like the most. Okay, out of all the Chinese stock that I showed so far, even FXI, this is the one I'm buying. I was buying Friday. I was buying Thursday. I bought before. Okay, for those that heard of me talk about this, I bought here, and I trim, bought, trim, stopped out, and now I'm back in. Okay, so yeah, I will continue to scale into. I have ordered in, um, 20.5. If it drop below 20.5, I'm in. Okay, I believe I do have more order in at 20.5. So if it dip down there, I will keep adding. And that's it for today. Big week this week. The CPI, the PPI, everything is riding on those economic data. So whatever you're doing as far as trading, watch out. Wednesday is where the firework is going to be. So I'm going to sit on my hand for the most part, be patient, save my cash, because CPI is going to move. I believe CPI is going to be, for the first time in 2 months, favorable. How favorable? We'll find out.